Everybody, John Huber here, Maryland Education Network, brought to you by Maryland K-12. Here is another episode in my little series on what's going on in the Maryland General Assembly. Right now, I want to talk to you a couple things that are regarding student protection, safety, protection, that sort of thing. One is there's a bill to introduce, there's a bill introduced to expand the definition of what are considered persons of authority. You know, there's all these laws about protecting from predators, and there's really tough laws about people of authority, and they've already include teachers, obviously principals, assistant principals, counselors, but now they're expanding it even further to include individuals who work at the school, employees, just general, any employee, custodians, etc. Just a larger definition of persons of authority regarding all of these protection laws for students. I don't think anyone really would object to that. And another one regarding student safety and protection is called the Maryland Appropriate Design Code Act, which essentially makes it a crime or it makes it a violation of this act to design products, or let's say this, there are people who design products that get into children's hands need to have the students' best interests. It needs to be designed with their best interests. It restricts things on data collection and all that. You know, there's been some discussion about a lot of the curricular things that they use, and some of the different websites. They have content in there designed to get students, I don't want to say addicted, but it's not really designed in their best interest. And so this is what this does. That's a fine line there. So it's about curriculum design. It's about any kind of technology items that are designed that are going to be in front of students have to be designed with their best interest at heart. And again, it restricts some data collection, and there's a high privacy settings by default. The kids, the tech people are getting to the kids, and the legislation is trying to put some roadblocks in there to stop it. So anyway, I don't think anybody has too much objection to that. So those are a couple things going on right now regarding student protection, student privacy, that sort of thing. So anyway, thanks. Have a great day.